How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be working on a 1998 quarter coin ring. Whoop. Here's our coin. And let's go ahead and punch a hole in it. I like to use a 1/2 inch punch on my quarters. And we're just going to hammer this on through here. Woo! Very nice. I do have these quarter coin rings available in a wide range of dates, as well as all 50 states. If anyone's interested in getting one, you can tap my shop down here or the link in my profile. If you have any questions while I work, feel free to put them in the chat. If you're enjoying the live, make sure to tap the screen. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that follow button. Woo! All right, now that we've got our quarter punched, we're going to clean up that inside edge there with our deburring tool. All right, there's our quarter so far. Now we're going to take it over to the 1-ton arbor press. That's this bad boy. We're going to start folding it. Zoomed in a little too much there. Pop that onto our doming block, just like that. And give it a nice fold. Perfect. So our ring so far. And again, that's coinringmaker.com, guys, if you want to check out my website. Do a second fold here. Very nice, very nice. You can see that 1998 on there. I'll hop over here to the ring stretcher. My phone will not flip around. There we go. And we'll stretch it out just a bit. Check our size. That's about a 9. I want it almost to a 10. We'll stretch it just a little bit more. go. And you can see it's got a bit of a cone shape to it from the ring stretcher. So we're going to go back over here to this die on the 1-ton arbor press. Pop it in there and reduce it just a little bit. Might need to use another die. It's better. Very nice. Need to reduce it just a little bit more. Nice. I got my phone mount all screwed up. Woo! Okay. Now if you look on the inside of the ring, there's a little bit of raised metal right on the edge there. A little bit of a lip. We're going to cut that away because it's not very comfortable. And try and keep my phone from falling over. Oh boy. Hold on a second. There we go. Technical difficulties. Gotta love them. And just gonna cut that inside lip away there. This is kind of the slow, boring part, so if you guys want to go check out my store, you can see some of my finished work, see how much things cost, different types of coins I work on. I do invite you to go check it out. Thanks for the heart, bro. What's that called? It's a heart me. I got a heart me. Got 87 likes on this live. Let's go. Y'all are just tapping that screen today. Yeah, we're almost done with this part. Thank you guys for bearing with me. I know this isn't the most exciting thing to stare at, but it is an integral part in making a good coin ring. how nice and smooth that is now. Very good. There we go, 700 likes. All right. Yeah. Now hit that follow button. I want to see this down here light up with people saying, followed the live creator. Say D Michigan 67 did it. Let's go. And it's supposed to be 8 3/4, so we're just a hair off. Reduce it a little bit over here. It's really hard to just reduce a quarter size. I usually have to reduce and stretch and reduce and stretch. That's right at 8 1/2. Stretch it a little. There we go, right at 8 3/4. Perfect. So now for my favorite part. This is where we get to make it nice and shiny. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of my favorite polish, wherever I put it. There it is. Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish. This is the best stuff I've found. We're going to plop a little bit of it on a microfiber cloth and make this thing nice and shiny. Just completely coat a ring inside and out with this stuff. And it's going to look good. If anybody out there has any questions, now's a great time to ask. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that follow button so you can catch me every time I get on TikTok Live and make a cool coin into a ring. Polish, polish, polish. There we go. 2,000 likes. Very, very nice. Thank you. Looking good and shiny now, isn't it? I like to follow up that polish with some jewelry polishing wipes. Just make it a little bit shinier. This way we can get a nice mirror finish on it. Thank you very much, Hunter. There we go. Let's get real close. Oh yeah. 1998. Size 8 3/4. Quarter coin ring. I do quarters, half dollars, dollars, 1 ounce silver rounds, half ounce silver rounds, quarter ounce silver rounds, and quarter ounce gold eagles. If you guys would like to check out some of my work, this is what you need right here. You just take a screenshot of this card. It's got a 10% off coupon code. That's going to be the word welcome, as well as my website. So I'm just going to leave that there for a little bit. Y'all take a screenshot of that, save it for later. Go check it out. Lots of cool coin rings on there. That came out looking really nice. My fingers are a little dirty, but that ring is clean. Well, guys, if you got some free time, I do invite you to go check out the website as well as my TikTok. Here, there's lots of cool videos to watch. Yeah. You're the first, Jim. And you caught me right at the tail end of it. So I'm headed out. Y'all go watch some of the videos on my profile and have a great day. I'll catch you next time. Peace.